Lice are parasitic insects that infest the hair, feathers, and fur of mammals and birds. The exact origin of lice is not well documented in the fossil record, but they are believed to have evolved from free-living insects millions of years ago. Here's a simplified overview of where lice are thought to have come from. Evolution from free-living insects. Lice are believed to have evolved from free-living insects that lived on the bodies of early mammals and birds. These insects would have initially fed on the skin, feathers, or fur of their hosts. Adaptations to hosts. Over time, some of these free-living insects adapted to life on the bodies of their host animals. They developed specialized adaptations to feed on blood, skin, or other bodily secretions. These adaptations allowed them to become obligate parasites, meaning they rely on their host for their entire life cycle. Diversification. As different host animals evolved, lice diversified to infest various species. They adapted to specific host species and developed characteristics that allowed them to thrive on different types of hosts, such as mammals or birds. Specialization. Lice have evolved into various species and subspecies, each adapted to a specific host or host group. For example, there are head lice, body lice, and pubic lice that infest humans. Each of these lice species has specific adaptations for the type of hair and environment they inhabit on their human hosts. It's important to note that the exact timeline and details of lice evolution are not fully understood due to the absence of a well-preserved fossil record for these tiny insects. However, scientific research, genetic studies, and observations of lice on various host species provide insights into their evolutionary history. Head lice can affect anyone but occur most often among children between the ages of 3 to 11 years old, along with their families. Children are more at risk, as they make head-to-head contact with other children when playing together and may share items that have contact with their hair. How common are head lice? Head lice infestations are common, affecting an estimated 6 million to 12 million people each year. Lice are most common among school-age children who are more likely to have close contact with each other or share combs, brushes, hats and other objects that touch the hair. Feeling like something in your hair is moving, tickling, itching, sores from itching and scratching, difficulty sleeping. Lice are often regarded as an ancient group of insects that have co-evolved with their host animals over millions of years, adapting to different lifestyles and ecological niches on the bodies of these hosts.